It's another overcast day at Venice Beach. Send me a penny here on the Venice Beach boardwalk. Feeding the hungry. Making sure they get some salad, and we got some hot soup here. We've given away about almost two containers of that hot soup this morning. We fed a whole lot of people. Getting ready soon to make them some lunch. Some sandwiches, we got salad, pasta, all stuff donated. Anthony has sent me a pennies here every weekend, feeding the homeless, doing God's work, giving back to the community, to those who are hungry and in need. We just want to thank everybody that's helped support and just help us feed those that are in need. Hope you guys have a blessed day.